About 12 years ago, we were looking for a new workforce management solution that could better meet our needs, both in terms of optimization as well as automation of processes. So after a thorough search, we found the Verint product was the one that best met our needs in workforce optimization, while also meeting our needs in areas like speech analytics, quality monitoring, and some of our scorecard needs. Yeah, in addition to the cost savings of having a one centralized solution, it also allowed us to create synergies between areas like speech analytics or quality monitoring or workforce management, things that could allow us to automatically schedule a coaching session should someone's quality score drop too low, or immediately provide insights to quality monitoring should something get caught on speech analytics. Currently, we're using Verint's workforce optimization solution to automate things like request management for time off, our overtime scheduling, or our voluntary time off scheduling. We're even using it to automatically schedule coaching sessions when needed. Using automation has allowed us to provide quicker and more decisive answers on time off requests, overtime requests, or requests for voluntary time off. Things that the business needs are able to be decisioned immediately rather than through a delay, but also freeing up the analysts in the workforce team to do more analytical work rather than more process-oriented work, which we were doing in the past. It's really improved our employee engagement scores in areas like flexibility to take time off, because we are able to provide quicker decisions, more decisive decisions, but also make sure it's fair and equitable. Being a financial institution, there were some very strict regulations on scripting and compliance in certain ways, but the Verint solution allowed us to monitor those and provide triggers when scripting may not have been said correctly or word usage may have been done inappropriately. It would help us flag those and provide quicker coaching and counseling to prevent that from happening into the future.
So we're kind of, going ahead and kind of cross-platforming across the different workforce optimization departments within Navy Federal to help each other out. So the impact that this one workforce approach has had on our employees and our customers is, especially with our loan officers, they're helping in the contact center at this point. So they also get commission, they also get to hold on to those loans when they help with contact center. So it's building that relationship from the very beginning. They submit the application with the members, and then they get to stay with them throughout the entire process of their entire loan. And we've seen that that has really improved our customer satisfaction. With the market currently, house buying has drastically dropped and the interest rates are really high. Through that kind of one workforce process, we've been able to better support, obviously, our contact center operations. We've been able to cross-train our loan officers to assist with that type of workload. And, along the way, they've been able to make better connections with our members because, like I've mentioned, they end up keeping those members along the way and they stay through the whole process of the loan.
So one of the reasons Navy Federal is moving to cloud is to make sure we're always up to date with our versions, to make sure we always have the latest and greatest and have a stable platform, something that is really kind of done for us and minimizes the overhead that we end up spending trying to support a less than up-to-date or stable version of the system. In addition, it does open the door for us to use other aspects, other products of Verint like Operations Manager, which is a goal for 2024.